In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a YouTube comment and paste it anywhere. This is a quick, practical skill you can use for saving helpful tips, sharing feedback, or quoting a comment accurately without retyping it. First, open the YouTube video that contains the comment you want to copy. You can do this in any modern web browser. Give the page a moment to load fully so the interface responds smoothly. Next, scroll down to the comments section beneath the video. If you don't see comments right away, keep scrolling until you pass the video description. If the comment you want is long, look for a small Read More link and click it so the entire text is visible before you copy. Now, highlight the comment text with your mouse. Place your cursor at the very beginning of the comment. Click and hold, then drag across the text until you've selected everything you need. Make sure you include all lines you want, and avoid clicking on the username, timestamp, or links, which could take you away from the page. If you accidentally let go, just start again from the beginning of the text. Take your time to ensure the correct portion is selected and visibly highlighted. Once the text is highlighted, copy it. You can do this by right-clicking the highlighted area and choosing Copy from the menu. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on a Mac. Both methods do the same thing. If the right-click menu doesn't appear, the keyboard shortcut is a reliable alternative. With the comment now on your clipboard, paste it wherever you need. Click into your destination. This could be a document, a note, an email, a chat, or a search bar. Then press Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on a Mac to paste. You can also right-click and choose Paste. If you're pasting into an app that supports rich text, formatting like line breaks or emojis may carry over. In plain text fields, only the characters will appear. If the pasted text isn't what you expected, go back to the comment, carefully reselect the exact text you want, and copy it again. Expanding the full comment before highlighting and keeping your mouse within the text area usually prevents missed lines. That's all there is to it. Open the video, scroll to comments, highlight the text, copy it, and paste it where you need. With a little practice, this becomes second nature and saves you time anytime you want to capture a YouTube comment accurately.